Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, guys. Here we go. This is break 7. Josiah Gray to 50. Dodgers. Julio. Jeremy Pena. Nick Bennett, Sky Blue. Poisson. Spencer Howard for the Phillies. 7 out of 25. CJ Abrams, Bobby Witt. Dylan Carlson. Alec Thomas. Sejas. Sorry. That we got a backwards refractor. Backwards foil. Tristan Cassis. Stupid. Stupid. I'll make you right, bro. I'll never let you be out. Brady Singer. Nick Madrigal. Jordan Groshans. Christian Robinson. Yeah. An eBay error. Yeah, they just took a sheet and printed it upside down. That's all. Just upside down sheet. Dylan Carlson to 75. It's a foil sheet, and they printed the cards on the back of it. That's all it is. It's pretty interesting, really. But you know, if you got a Jason Dominguez, I bet that'd sell for a ton. Adam Hall, just as good. Glenn Allen Hill, blue, for the D-backs. Liberatore. Nate Pearson. Jason Dominguez, man down. It'd go for a ton. I mean, it really would. For sure. Ronnie Mauricio, sky blue. I doubt they meant it, but who knows. Chris Valamont, blue foil. Poisson. Nicola Dolo. John Diaz. Bobby Witt. Blue foil on the Diaz. Apostille. Wow. Wander Franco, sky blue. That's a nice card. Jason Dominguez. I don't have any. No. Poisson. Dane Dunning. Kellenick. Drew Waters. Kyber Ruiz. Yeah, I never have room service either. The only thing I do is I go and ask for towels. I don't like people in my room when I'm not there. Perina? Peria? I don't know. He's got autos, though. Jazz Chisholm, sky blue. Here's a color. Ooh, nice card. Volpe. Volpe for the Yankees. Nice hit. That is 34 out of 50. Very nice. Campusano to 75. Davy Garcia, speaking of the Yankees, that was a good Yankees pack. Look. Jason. Two packs to go. Bobby Witt. Colton Welker. All right, guys, that's it. Nice Volpe. All right, Bobby Witt, Jason Dominguez, Davy Garcia, Campusano, Pereira, I'm not sure, Poisson, Dominguez, Wander Franco, Apostle, Bobby Witt, John Diaz, Poisson, Valamont, Dominguez, Hall, Glenn Allen Hill, Carlson, Madrigal. Not sure why that's there. Sejas, Witt, Spencer Howard, Poisson, Bennett, Pena, and Josiah Gray. So very nice. I think that 2020 Bowman will drop these prices down a little bit short term, but it's a limited product. It's definitely going to bounce back up, in my opinion. This is a hold. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if boxes are over $1,000. You know, by January, February, and that's that's just what I think. All right, saving your video.